Hello, it is very simple to make the videos you have just watched, where miniature workers work. For this, we first open ChaptGPT. Then, in the text field, we write miniature workers working on a cake studio shot. Can you write text to image prompt for this? You can find this article in the description section of the video. He prepared a nice prompt for us. You can paste this prompt into an AI with a text-to-image feature of your choice. I will use ImageFX here. It is an artificial intelligence that produces a very successful visual production. After opening ImageFX, copy the prompt that we have just printed to ChaptGPT and paste it into the relevant field in ImageFX. Here you go, our visuals were prepared very successfully. We can download any of these images that we like. After downloading our image, we log into the Kling AI site and then click on the AI Videos button in the middle. In the field that says Click Drop, Paste, we upload the image we downloaded. Our image has been uploaded. Now, I write workers working on cake in the prompts section here. If you wish, you can leave the prompt blank. If you wish, you can set the duration as 10 seconds from this field. I will create the video without touching any settings. Here's our video. You can also make money by creating videos like this. Don't think of it only for bakeries. You can create such videos for construction companies, photo artists, restaurants, and many more. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to be informed about such artificial intelligence videos. Goodbye!